willpower. Willpower means perfect coordination makes something that is called willpower. Willpower is not a separate faculty. There is nothing like that is called a faculty that can be trained, and that is called willpower. Willpower means when you have learned to establish coordination between different aspects and faculties in your life, then that is called willpower. Oh, this person has willpower. If he wants to do something, he does that something with full attention. If he does not want to do something, nobody can inspire him, motivates him to do something. Willpower. So willpower comes after you have established coordination. Patanjali is telling you to establish the coordination so that chitta vritti, all the aspects of your inner being, I should not call it mind, chitta is not mind. The inner man, all the aspects of your inner man start coordinating. Now, there are 4 wheels on a buggy, chariot. If all the 4 wheels do not coordinate, are not coordinated, you mean to say that chariot can run on the path? No. If you are not successful in doing anything, I have seen serious problem in modern man. It's a crime modern man is committing towards oneself. I tell you one thing. Because people come with counseling, and I don't want to say who comes to me. Here I see a happy man, very healthy and handsome and well-dressed and full of money and full of joy. Here I see beautiful wife. Marital problem. What is the marital problem? Money? No. Food? No. What is the problem? Husband says, well, I want to enjoy the company of my wife, but I find myself incapable. Sometimes wife says, my husband is so handsome, so healthy, so wonderful, but I find myself incapable. How do you grow with such complexes? Why? You are not disciplining yourself. You have not disciplined yourself. Why do you lose that confidence that I cannot do it? Because you have never disciplined yourself by saying, I will do it, I can do it, I have to do it, and I am going to do it. You have never practiced discipline. At any age, any time, always you can discipline yourself. You are not late. Therefore, Patanjali says, whole foundation of this samadhi is anusasana, disciplining yourself. You see, a determination from today, I will discipline myself. Simple thing. Don't make many plans. Don't make big plans. Don't make many rigid rules for yourself. No. Small things. I will wake up at 4:30. One rule, simple thing. After that, I'll go to finish my ablution and do my exercise. At 5:30, exactly 5:30, I'll sit down in meditation. You don't know anything about meditation, doesn't matter. Discipline yourself.